Welcome to our comparison of the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 RX 6650 XT and the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 6750 XT graphics cards. In this video, we will dive into the specifications, performance, and value of these two powerful GPUs. The SWFT 210 is designed for budget-conscious gamers who want solid performance at 1080p and 1440p, while the QICK 319 is aimed at those seeking high-end performance for 1440p and 4K gaming. Let's find out which card is right for you. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 RX 6650 XT delivers solid performance for 1080p gaming and can handle 1440p at lower settings. It features a boost clock of up to 2635 MHz and is designed for budget gamers. On the other hand, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 6750 XT excels in higher resolutions, providing excellent performance at 1440p and even 4K gaming. With a boost clock of up to 2600 MHz and 12 GB of memory, it is built for gamers who want the best experience without compromise. The SWFT 210 features a dual-fan cooler that keeps the card relatively quiet and compact, making it suitable for smaller builds. However, it may struggle with cooling under heavy loads. In contrast, the QICK 319 is equipped with a triple-fan cooling system that ensures optimal thermal management, even during intense gaming sessions. This design not only enhances cooling efficiency, but also contributes to the card's overall performance. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 is priced at $319, making it an affordable option for gamers looking to enjoy solid performance without breaking the bank. However, it has lower memory capacity and may not perform well at higher resolutions. The QICK 319, priced at $399, offers premium performance with its higher memory and superior cooling, making it a worthwhile investment for serious gamers who demand the best. In conclusion, the choice between the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 RX 6650 XT and the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 6750 XT ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable card for 1080p gaming, the SWFT 210 is a great choice. However, if you want superior performance for 1440p and 4K gaming, the QICK 319 is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.